Welcome back guys. Today in this short Photoshop tips or tutorial I will show you guys how to correct this perspective distortion created by the smartphone. It's very difficult to take printed documents and pictures on top of any surface without the perspective distortion using a smartphone camera. Fortunately, couple of clicks in Photoshop you can fix this error in Photoshop using the camera raw filter. Go to filters and select the camera raw filter, which will open up the camera raw filter dialog box. You can find lots and lots of settings in here. What we are going to do today is in here on the top, go to the top bar and select the transform tools from the top bar. Once you select the transform tool, you can see there are many transform controls over on your right. By using these tools, you can manually rotate vertically or horizontally in the 3D plane. You can use these configurations to correct the perspective manually. But the best and fastest way to do this correction is by using these guides in here. We just need to define the vertical and horizontal lines. Photoshop will do the rest for you. Please note there is also an additional automatic perspective distortion fix in here as well, which will automatically fix based on the picture, but most of the time it's better to use the guide option in here. Select any one of these guide levels from here. It doesn't matter one level or the final level. You can always add more even with any of these levels. So I will select the first one and go to the picture and draw and define the top edge. Just click once and drag to the point A to point B. Now do the same with the bottom edge, A to B. As you can see, picture is almost edited towards the x-axis. Now do the same with the y-axis. I will draw one line in the right side first. Alright. One more guide in the left side. Drag it here, you can adjust. Right, so as you can see, it has fixed our picture. You can adjust this point to make them perfect. You can also use this transform tool to move or rotate the picture if you have any issues with the correction. Once you are satisfied with your picture, you can just select OK, which will change your picture to proper perspective. You can also use your cropping tool to crop only the picture like this in here. At this point, after you apply your filter, if you find any minor small changes, just go back to the camera raw filter, go to the same place and just select on the automatic perspective fix, which will fix the small minor issues with your perspective, and you will get the perfect picture you needed. Alright guys, that's all about it for today, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.